Hi there, Ali.
Hey.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Good to see you. Okay. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to do a corner reverse.
Alright.
Okay. So, first of all, I will explain to you the place where you should carry a corner reverse,
Alright.
and I will brief you on how we will be doing the corner reverse, and then we'll have a few practices. Okay. Now, first of all, a corner reverse is a useful maneuver. For example, if you've gone the wrong way and you want to turn around, and maybe the main road could be unsuitable, it could be too busy, or it could be dangerous, so you come into a side road like this and you would do a corner reverse. Now let me so before you do any kind of maneuver, you ask yourself a few questions. For example, number one, you ask yourself, is the place safe?
Right.
So if you look ahead at the road, do you think this is a safe place to do a corner reverse?
I believe so.
Yeah, it looks
looks
safe
decent,
because there's not much traffic and there's enough space to reverse into, so it is safe. Now, if you ask yourself, is it suitable?
Yeah.
It is suitable, yes, because once again, and is it legal? Would it be illegal if you done the?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, yes, it will be legal to do it here because it's not one-way street we're reversing into, and it's not a no entry as well, so it is legal here. And the other question you must ask yourself is, can you actually do the maneuver?
Okay.
Yeah. So if it's safe, if it's legal, then normally it will be possible to do the maneuver. So taking all these things into consideration, we can carry out the corner reverse. Now let me explain the maneuver to you briefly. Now if you look at this picture, at the moment our car is positioned here, and in front of us there is a road. Yes?
Yep.
Okay. So from here, the blue car, from this park position, we will drive forward and stop on the left after the side road.
Right.
Then we will reverse back into the
Side
road, into the side road, yes. And this is what we will be doing. Now, there's three things we should take into consideration when you do this maneuver. Number one, we must be able to control the car. Okay. Now, what do I mean by control? Any idea?
Maybe when you steer or something.
Basically, we need to control the car using the clutch, so the car moves slowly, not too fast, not too slow. So there is a control. Then we must observe, which I will explain to you where to look and so on. And we got to be accurate as well. Accuracy means that you stay fairly close to the curb, and when you reverse back, you stop at a good position, so you can drive out safely again. Now, if I talk through you through the maneuver with you from here, yes, we'll start the engine, select first gear. We'll have a good look around, like our normal observations. We'll look over our shoulder, the blind spot, and if it is clear, we will move off. Okay. When we stop, we check our mirrors, we check our left mirror, and we stop. Now we stop about 2 to 3 car lengths past the corner.
Okay.
Once we've stopped, we put the handbrake on, select neutral, and it is important when we stop, we actually stop the car straight. If I show you a little car that I have, okay, it might help you a little bit. Let me see if I can find it. Yes, I found it. It's a black car that I'll sort of stimulate it. So when you stop, make sure the wheels are straight.
Okay.
For example, if the car is, let's say, facing towards the curb, then if you don't realize, slowly you could just reverse out and you'll be too far away from the curb. So if you keep position the front to the right, then what could happen when you reverse back, you hit the curb. So it is helpful when you stop, you stop like this, getting all 4 wheels straight Okay. Once you stop, obviously, handbrake on, gear into neutral. You must position your body so you can look at the back window.
Okay.
So you bend your body a little bit. Yeah, bend it a bit more,
Yeah.
like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
And your observation point will be at the back window to make sure the car is going straight, and obviously any cars that are moving or coming towards you from the rear.
Okay.
And you'll also observe the left mirror, so you know the distance and if you're hitting the curb or not.
Okay.
Okay. But the key point to remember is if you can stop the car straight and if you keep the steering wheel straight, then there is no need for you to worry about whether you're hitting the curb or not. So once you've done all that, you put the clutch down, once you position, you select reverse gear, and we will check all around, and if it is safe, you will start reversing. Now what you need to understand is, where do we turn? Okay. Now you cannot see the tires directly outside, so you'll have to use reference points. So once you start reversing, if you see the back tires are connected to the back of the car, isn't it? Now if you look here, you can see the curb bending. This is when you stop. How you will judge that? If you look at the back window on the side here, this will, the curb will be visible at the edge.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you see the curb visible at the right at the corner, that means you are at the turning point.
All right. Okay.
Okay. At that time we will stop.
Okay.
And if you focus yourself on this car again, you'll be like this. You'll be something like this.
Okay.
Okay, you stop. So before turning, you look over your right shoulder, make sure no one is coming from the back.
Okay.
You look ahead, and you look at into the road you're going into, making sure it's safe.
Okay.
Once you're satisfied after making the check it is safe, you'll move very slowly and steer fully to a left lock.
Okay.
Do you understand what I mean by a left lock?
Like a full turn?
Full turn, so it stops turning. Now this particular corner is a sharp corner, so that's why we need a left lock.
Okay.
But if it was a wider corner, maybe we will cover this on another lesson. You'll practice a wider corner, then you need less turning, but that's another subject. So here, if you look ahead, this is a sharp corner. Yeah. So we will turn fully to the left, and the car should be moving like this into the road.
Okay.
What will happen when you look at the back window? You will see the curb line up, and if you look at the side mirror as well, you will see that you've gone straight. And once that happens, you must steer to the right and get the steering wheel straight.
Okay.
Okay. Once you've checked by looking at the left mirror and the back, once you feel the car is straight and is fairly parallel to the curb, you should be moving very slowly, not too fast. Okay. Keeping a good lookout at the back and the side and the head, making sure no one's coming. And you reverse back about 2 to 3 car lengths.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. What we'll do, once you've done it about 3 or 4 times, you will understand yourself. You know, you'll get a good idea of how to do it. So first of all, I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
And we will have a couple of attempts. Okay, Ali. Let's try to do the corner reverse.
Right.
I will talk you through for the first 2-3 attempts. So you just relax and try and listen to me. Now before you start the engine, do you remember what you have to do? You check that the handbrake is on, yep, and the gear is in
neutral.
In neutral.
Yep.
Now you can start the engine. Excellent. So clutch down.
Yep.
And first gear. Okay. Slight pressure on the gas, set the gas in other words. Slowly clutch up to the biting point. Do you feel the vibration? Yes? Okay, good. So now you observe, you look over your left shoulder. 1.
Right.
Left mirror 2. Interior mirror 3. And the offside mirror 4. Look ahead now, look ahead.
Okay.
You signal. Tell people that you're moving off, okay? Now these people are on the road.
Right.
Prepare the handbrake. Look over your right shoulder, the blind spot is clear?
Yep.
You're safe? Release the handbrake. Good. Now keep straight, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the left. Yeah, keep straight, a little bit more to the, yeah, that will do again, a little bit to the right. Now when stopping, check your mirror again.
Yep.
Check your left mirror.
Yep.
Signal, and gently brake to stop. That will do, thank you. Stop here. Yeah, well done. Gently brake, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, keep the clutch down. Keep the clutch down. Apply the handbrake. Select neutral. Okay, and relax. Cancel. Okay. Now, what you do is, if you can position yourself by bending your body so you can look at the back.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Excellent. Good. Can you look to the back window comfortably?
Yep.
Good. All right. So now, and is the car straight? Is the car straight?
Yep.
Remember what I
It's
told you? The
aligned,
car
yeah,
is straight.
it's-
Yes.
yeah,
It's
it's
easier
aligned.
to
Yeah.
reverse. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, put the clutch down, and if you can select reverse gear. Well done. Now slowly let the clutch up to the biting point. We're not moving yet.
Okay.
Feet still. Thank you. That's good. Keep the clutch down a fraction so it doesn't move too. That's excellent. Now select the get the handbrake ready.
Yep.
Good. Look over your right shoulder now. Okay. Is the right clear?
Yep.
Look ahead.
Yep.
Is it clear ahead?
Not really. No.
Not really. Let's just wait and see. Okay. This guy is out the way. Okay.
So I got them.
Well, I think he's nearly finished. Yes, we'll just wait for him. Okay, so Ali, we'll look over the right shoulder one more time.
Yep.
It's clear at the back, yes?
Yep.
Is the head clear?
Yep.
Now we look at the back window. Is it clear, yeah?
Yes.
Keep looking there.
Okay.
Release the handbrake. Excellent. Get your both hands on the steering wheel. This is very good speed. Now keep the feet still. Press down a fraction. So just press down a fraction so it moves a bit slowly. Okay. So look there. You look at the back now.
Yep.
Look here as well. Let's go straight. Press down a fraction. Give your finger brake. Now you're looking for the turning point now. Look at the corner of the window there.
Yep.
Keep moving. Keep moving. When you get to the turning point, stop. So stop there. Stop. Excellent. Now can you see the curb?
Yep.
At the corner you can see the yellow line, and
Yep.
next to the yellow line is the curb.
Curb.
This is known as your turning point. This is
Right.
when the rear tires
Mhm.
have touched the beginning of the curbed stone
Right.
of the curb.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is when you stop. So before turning you need to observe again.
Okay.
So you look over your blind spot again.
Yep.
You look ahead
Yep.
and you look at the road that you're in. It's all safe, yes?
Yes.
So let the clutch up, move the car, clutch up, and then clutch up a fraction. And steer fully to the left, fully to the left. Full, quick steering, quick steering. Excellent. Clutch down a fraction so you move slowly, clutch down a fraction, good. Little look on the right, making sure no cars are coming, excellent. Now again you're looking at the back window now.
Yes.
Clutch down a bit, gently brake and stop the car for a couple of seconds. Now can you see your car is perfectly straight now?
Yeah.
So you need to move slowly and get the steering wheel
Straight.
straight. You do that for me. To the right, more to the right, excellent. Excellent. Move slowly now. You're a little bit wide, so a little bit steering to the. That's enough steering. Keep it as it is. Clutch down a bit. Excellent. Look at the back window as well. Don't look just in one place. And that's enough. Not bad. And a little bit to the left again. Good. Are you hitting the curb at all?
No.
No. Look at the back window. And a bit more. Gently bring the car to a stop. Stop. Excellent. Apply the handbrake. Gear into neutral. Ali, well done. This is an excellent corner reverse. And knowing that you've done it for the first time, that's a very good attempt. So I reckon another 2-3 attempts at this maneuver,
Right.
and I think you will learn how to do it by yourself. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.